Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Lvxin Packaging. Today I want to show you a new packaging portrait for every guy. Look at this one. This is made from recycled paper and made by dry press, so the surface is very rough. Also, you can see we can do the customized logo survey on the paper tray flat area. If you want to need us a customized logo, please send us a requirement. Our product is 100% degradable within 3 months. All defective products can also be recyclable and reproduce it. So please don't worry any wait. If you're interested in our products, please feel free to contact us to get some free sample. We have a professional design team to provide free design survey and customized design survey at any time. Thank you. Bye bye.